Good morning. Welcome to TRINITY online classes. I am Suresh Kumar, lecturer in mathematics. The sum of the squares of the lengths of the chords intersected on the circle x square plus y square equal to 16 by the lines x plus y equal to n for all small n belongs to capital N, where n is the set of all natural numbers. The sum of the squares of the length of the chords intersected on the circle. First, the given equation of the circle is x square plus y square equal to 16. This is of the form x square plus y square equal to r square. Therefore, center 0, 0, that is here center is origin, radius r equal to 4, r square equal to 16, r equal to 4. Let the given equation of the line be the given equation of the line be x plus y equal to n for all small n belongs to capital N. We find the distance from d equal to distance from center O 0, 0 to the line x plus y minus n equal to 0, that equal to mod minus n by square root of, we know that the perpendicular distance from origin to the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is mod c by square root of a square plus b square. Therefore, that is modulus of minus n constant by square root of x quotient whole square plus y quotient whole square, that equal to n by root of 1 plus 1, that equal to n by root 2. Generally we know that this is the center, this is radius, this is any line. Here the line is away to the circle, the length of r less than d, where d is the perpendicular distance from center to the line. R is less than d, the line is away to the circle. R equal to d, we know that condition of tangency, R equal to d, the line touches the circle. Suppose R greater than d, the line is become the chord of the circle. Any one of the chord, R greater than d, the line become the chord of the circle. By data, the given line is the chord of the circle. The given line is the chord of the circle. Therefore, we know that in this case we know that the line intersected the circle like this. The line intersected the circle. Here center is origin. The line intersects the circle at the points A and B. Therefore, here R is greater than D. Here R is radius of the circle is 4. 4 greater than D, perpendicular distance is n by root 2. D perpendicular distance is n by root 2. Therefore, n by root 2 less than 4. Therefore, n less than 4 root 2. N less than 4 root 2. We know that the foot of the perpendicular of center is the midpoint of the chord. We know that the foot of the perpendicular of center is the midpoint of the chord. This is the radius. M is the foot of the perpendicular of center. Indirectly, that is the midpoint of the chord AB. here. The sum of the squares of the length of the chords intercepted on the circle by the line x plus y equal to 4, where n belongs to n, where n is the set of all natural numbers. The chord becomes n is the set of all natural numbers. Here n is less than 4 root 2. Indirectly we know that the root 2 value is 1.4. The root 2 value is nearly 1.4. 4 into 1.4, nearly n is less than 5.6 something. Therefore n is the natural numbers only, small n belongs to capital N. Therefore this n is possible only n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because n is the natural number and n is always less than 5.6. That means only 5 possibilities, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore the chords there are 5 chords, 5 values of chords. Actually n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. The lines are x plus y equal to 1 and x plus y equal to 2 and x plus y equal to 3, x plus y equal to 4 and x plus y equal to 5. These are the 5 chords. We need the sum of the squares of the length of the chords intercepted on the line, intercept on the circle. First we find the length of the chord. We know that the length of the chord is length of chord be 2 into square root of r square minus d square. Length of the chord be 2 into square root of r square minus d square, where r is the radius of the circle. Here radius of the circle is 4. R is the radius of the circle, 4 whole square, minus d is the distance, perpendicular distance from center to the end, that is n by root 2. N by root 2 whole square, that equal to 2 into square root of 16 minus n square by 2. This is the length of the chord. We need the sum of the squares of the length of the chords intercepted. That means the length of the intercept, first we find the length of the intercept and then squaring the every one and adding the all. That means the required answer is, that means the sum of the squares of the length of the chords intercepted on the circle be summation. Here n value up to 5 is possible. Summation n equal to 1 to 5. Summation n equal to 1 to 5. 2 into square root of 16 minus n square by 2 whole square. The sum of the squares of the length of the chords. That means the length of the chords whole squares and adding. That equal to first summation n equal to 1 to 5. 4 into whole square. 4 into 16 minus n square by 2. That equal to 4 will be taken outside. Summation n equal to 1 to 5. 16 minus n square by 2. 16 minus n square by 2. Minus n square by 2, that equal to 4 into summation n equal to 1. 16 minus 1 square by 2 plus 16 minus 2 square by 2 plus 16 minus 3 square by 2 plus 16 minus 4 square by 2 plus 16 minus 5 square by 2 up to 5 terms. That equal to 4 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 into 16 minus 1 square by 2 minus 2 square by 2 minus 3 square by 2 minus 4 square by 2 minus 5 square by 2. 4 into 16 5s 80 minus 1 by 2 common 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square. This is the sum of the squares of the first 5 natural numbers. 4 8 is 320 minus 4 into 4 by 2 into sum of the squares of the first 5 natural numbers is formula. Actual formula is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 whole divided by 6. That means here n is 5. 5 into 5 plus 1 into 2 into 5 plus 1 whole divided by 6. 2 4 lo 2 times 320 minus 2 into 5 into 6 into 11 by 6. 6 6 cancel. 320 minus 2 5 10 minus 2 5 10 10 11 is 1 10, that equal to 210. Answer is 210. The sum of the squares of the length of the chords intersect on the circle by the lines x plus y equal to n, where n belongs to, when capital N is the set of all natural numbers, is 210. Here first we know the property, the line is a chord of the circle, that means it must satisfy the property r greater than d, or greater than d. In this case, first we find the center and radius of the circle, and also find the d. D is the perpendicular distance from center to the line. D is the perpendicular distance from center to the line. In this case, the line become a chord. There is only one possibility. R is greater than D. Therefore, D is the n by root 2. N by root 2 less than D. N less than 4 root 2. That means the value is, nearest value is 5.6. 5.6 something. N is less than 5.6 and n is also a natural number. Therefore, only one possibilities, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the possibilities. Actually, we need the length of the sum of the squares of the intercepts, length of intercepts. That means length of the intercepts means the length of the chord. The length of the intercept is nothing but the length of the chord. We know that the length of the chord is 2 into square root of r square minus d square. R is the radius of the circle, d is the distance from center to the line. We simplify, got the length of the intercept. We need the sum of the squares of the length of the intercepts in possible chords. Here 5 chords are possible. The sum of the squares of the length of the intercept, all these 5 is, that value is 210. Let C be the circle. Let C be the circle at 1 comma 1 and radius is 1. If T is the circle, center at 0 comma k, passes through origin, passes to the point origin, and touching the circle C externally, then the equation of T is, then the equation of the T, that means equation of the second circle is solution. Let C be the circle at center 1 comma 1. C be the circle at 1 comma 1 and radius 1. Center of the circle C, center of the circle C be 1 comma 1. First circle center named as C1 and radius of circle C be R1, that equal to 1. In this case, center is 1 comma 1 and radius is R1. That indicates the circle C touches both the coordinate axes. The circle C touches both the coordinate axes. That's why, because it is r comma r, center is r comma r, radius is 1. That is 1 comma 1, radius is 1. The first, let C be the circle at 1 comma 1 and radius r. Indirectly, the circle touches both the coordinate axes. If T is the circle, center at 0 comma k, center of circle T be 0 comma k and passes through origin. we got one information, and touches the circle C externally. Let radius of R2 equal to passes through origin and touching the circle C. Passes through origin. The circle passes through origin and center is 0, K. 0, K, by observation, here x coordinate is 0, the point lies on y-axis. Here x coordinate is 0, the point lies on y-axis. That therefore, center of the required circle lies on y-axis and passes through the origin. This is center, the center, named as C2. C2 lies on y-axis and passes through the origin. That means x-axis is also one of the tangent, passes through origin. These are, and also he had another information. These two circles are touch each other externally. Therefore, the diagram becomes, this is the first circle, radius. This is x-axis, also touches the y-axis. This is y-axis. This probe center like this, touches the circle. This is C2, this is C1. These two circles are touch each other externally, diagram legs. Because of the first property, the circle touches both, first circle C, the circle C touches both the coordinate axes. And second circle T, center is 0, K, therefore the point lies on y-axis. This is the center of the second circle, this is lies on y-axis. The circle also passes through origin, therefore x-axis is the one of the tangent. The circle also passes through y-axis. And also these two circles are touch each other externally. We know that the property circles touch each other externally. C1, C2 equal to R1 plus R2. Here, this is the point C2 is 0, K, therefore K is the radius of the circle. Any circle touches the x-axis, here y coordinate is the radius of the circle. The distance from origin to C2 is K, therefore the radius of the second circle is R2 equal to K. Here we find the value of K, then automatically we got the equation of the circle T. We know that here use the condition, does two circles touch each other externally, that means C1, C2 equal to R1 plus R2. Here C1 is 1, 1, C2 is 0, K. That equal to square root of 1 minus 0 whole square plus 1 minus K whole square. The distance between the two centers equal to, radius of the first circle is 1, radius of the second circle is K, 1 plus K. Squaring on both sides. 1 minus 0 whole square, 1 square plus 1 minus K whole square equal to 1 plus K whole square. That equal to 1 plus A minus B whole square, 1 plus K square minus 2K A minus B whole square, A square plus B square minus 2B minus 2K, 1 plus K square plus 2K, A plus B whole square, A square plus B square plus 2B, K square cancel, 1 1 cancel. Here 1 equal to minus 2 take that way, 2K plus 2K. 2K plus 2K, that equal 4K equal to 1, that implies K equal to 1 by 4. Therefore, the value of K is 1 by 4. Therefore, the value of K is 1 by 4. Center becomes C2, 0, 1 by 4. The center of the circle TB, 0, 1 by 4 and radius R2 equal to K, that equal to 1 by 4. Therefore, the equation of circle TB, the equation of circle TB, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. X minus 0 whole square, this is h comma k. Y minus 1 by 4 whole square equal to radius 1 by 4 whole square. X square plus 4y minus 1 by 4 whole square equal to 1 by 16. X square plus a minus b whole square, 16y square plus 1 minus 8y whole divided by 16 equal to 1 by 16. That means 16x square plus 16y square plus 1 minus 8y equal to 1. Cancel. Next step, 16x square plus 16y square minus 8y equal to 0. This is the equation of the required circle. Here, C be the circle at center 1, 1, radius 1. Center is 1, 1, radius 1. Here, center is x coordinate and y coordinate equal and radius also equal. Therefore, the first circle C touches both the coordinate axis. And second information, T is the center 0, k. Here, center is 0, k, x coordinate is 0, the point lies on the y-axis. Therefore, the point lies on the y-axis and passes through origin. Y-axis pass, the center lies on y-axis and circle passes through origin. Indirectly, x-axis is the tangent. This distance becomes the radius, that is the y-coordinate of the center. Y-coordinate of the center. Therefore, radius of second circle is k and center is 0, k. We know that these two circles are touch each other externally. C1, therefore C1 C2 equal to R1 plus R2. Substituting these values in the equation, we got the unknown value k. Therefore, unknown value got k. When we substitute, we got the center and radius of the circle. We got the equation of the circle. Here 8 is also common. Therefore, 2x square plus 2y square minus y equal to 0. The equation becomes, here 8 is common, 2x square plus 2y square minus y equal to 0. This is the equation of the required circle. If x square plus y square equal to 16, comma, x square plus y square equal to 36 are two circles and P and Q move respectively on these circles. The point P moves on the circle 1, the point Q moves on the circle 2, such that the length of PQ is 4. Then the locus of midpoint of PQ is a circle of radiuses. Solution. The given circles are first circle is x square plus y square equal to 16. That means center C. That means here center is origin O 0, 0. Radius of the first circle is R1 equal to 4. This is the second circle. Center is here also origin and both are concentric circles. R2 equal to 6. R2 equal to 6. Both the circles are concentric circles. Both the circles are concentric circles. Here center is origin. This is y-axis. This is x-axis. Center is origin. If x square plus y square equal to 16, one circle, x square plus y square equal to 36, this is n circle. Radius of the first circle, this is 4. Radius of the second circle, this is 6. Suppose this is the radius of the second circle is 6. And also radius of the first circle is 4. Here, P and Q are moves respectively on this circle. Suppose let P be the point on the first circle. The point P lies here, in any one position. The point be any one of the point on first circle and the Q moves respectively. Suppose Q is the point lies here. Q is the point, or P and Q are 2 points moves on the circles. P is the point on the first circle. Q is the point on the second circle. We join OP. OP is the radius of the first circle. OQ be the radius of the second circle. We joined PQ. We know that the length of PQ is 4. In particular order, these two are moves, P and Q. The length of PQ is 4. Therefore, the radius, this is 4 units. OP, the radius OP equal to 4. And PQ, the length of PQ by data given, the length of PQ is 4. And radius of OQ is 6. Therefore, the triangle becomes like this. OPQ like this. The length of OP is 4. We know that the length of OP is 4. The length of PQ is also 4. The length of OQ is also 6. OP is the radius of the first circle. OQ is the radius of the second circle. Thus value is 6. PQ is 4. This triangle forms an isosceles triangle. Because the length of the two sides are equal, the triangle OPQ become an isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, for the foot of the perpendicular, the foot of the perpendicular of the vertex be the midpoint of the opposite side. Midpoint of the opposite side. Here these two lengths are equal. Here the two lengths are equal. These are equal length. The length of OD equal to DQ. This is isosceles triangle because any triangle for the length of OD is to DQ is nothing but OP is to PQ. 4 is to 4, that is 1 is to 1. These two parts are equal, and also we know that is part 3. This is also length 3. Total length is 6. This is 3 units. This is 3 units. We know that in isosceles triangle, for at the point of intersection of the equal length sides of the vertex, a perpendicular line drawn from vertex to the opposite side. The opposite side is the line joining midpoint. In this case, altitude is identically equal to the median. PD is nothing but the altitude and also median. Here also, first this is the perpendicular. First we find the length of PD. This is a right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, PDO, let the ODP, for we need the value of PD. Opposite to the right angle is the hypotenuse. Therefore, ODP square, actually OP square equal to OD square plus DP square. We need DP square. DP whole square equal to, we need DP whole square equal to OP square minus OD square. That equal to the value of OP is 4 whole square. The value of OD is minus 3 whole square. That equal to 16 minus 9. That equal to 7. Therefore, the value of the value of DP square equal to 7. The length of DP is root 7. The length of DP is root 7. We need the locus of midpoint of PQ. Here midpoint of PQ. The midpoint of Q. The midpoint of DQ, maybe it be M. The midpoint of DQ, it may be M. The midpoint of DQ, it may be M. The midpoint of OQ, it may be N. Joining these 2 points, this line is also parallel to the line PD. This line is also parallel to the line PD, and this length is also half of the length of PD. Here is root 7. The length of this line is root 7 by 2. And here total length is 3. Here this part length is 3 by 2 and this part length is 3 by 2. We need the locus of the point N. This is the radius of the required circle ON. This is also perpendicular. Therefore, the length of OM equal to the length of OM equal to, here OM equal to OD 3 units plus DM 3 by 2 units. 3 plus 3 by 2. That equal to 9 by 2. The length of OM is 9 by 2 units, and also length of MN is root 7 by 2. Here total length is root 7. The midpoint is also the same length of the midpoint. The half of the length of the PD, that equal to root 7 by 2. Because the midpoint of PQ and midpoint of DQ joining these 2 points, this length is half of the length of the PD. Length of the PD is root 7. The length of MN is root 7 by 2. This is also per right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, ONM for. Here, right angle opposite is the ON, that is the hypotenuse. ON whole square equal to, by Pythagoras principle, OM square plus MN square. That equal to, the value of OM is 9/2 whole square plus the value of MN is root 7/2 whole square. That equal to 81/4 plus 7/4. 81 plus 7, that equal to 88/4, that equal to 22. This is ON whole square. It is nothing but radius. ON equal to, radius is always positive. The required radius is ON equal to root 22. The tangent and the normal lines at the point root 3, 1 to the circle x square plus y square equal to 4 on the x-axis form a triangle. The triangle forms with the three sides are, one side is x-axis, one side is the tangent, and one side is normal of the point root 3, 1 with respect to the circle x square plus y square equal to 4. The area of this triangle is, okay, solution. The given equation of the circle be x square plus y square equal to 4. Therefore, center is C 0, 0, radius r equal to 2. R equal to 2. The given point, it will be named as P, that is root 3, 1. Circle. This circle center as the origin O. The center is named as O. And P be any point. The point is root 3, 1. That be lies in first coordinate. The point P is root 3, 1. Here it is a tangent. The point P is root 3, 1. Both are positive. The point lies on the first coordinate. This is tangent. The tangent, this is tangent at P with respect to the circle 1. Normal. The normal passes through the center of the circle. Normal passes through the center of the circle. This is normal N. This is tangent T. With respect to the third side is on the x-axis. This is the triangle. We need the area of the triangle. The point of intersection is, maybe it is A, it B. The point of intersection of the tangent to the coordinate axis is A and B. And B. This is the normal. We need area of the tangent, normal and x-axis. This is the tangent. This is normal. This is x-axis. We need area of this triangle. Area of this triangle. We know that the area of the triangle is half base into height. Here P, we draw a perpendicular from P to the x-axis. Whether we put out the perpendicular from P to the x-axis. Then it be named as M. We know that the length of PM, this is the height of the triangle. The point P is root 3, 1. The point P is root 3, 1. We know that the distance from x-axis to the point P is y coordinate. Therefore, the length of PM equal to 1. The length of PM equal to 1. And the length of OM, the length of, first of all, OP. The length of OP, this is nothing but the radius of the circle. P is the point on the circle, O is the origin. This is the OP is the radius of the circle, that is equal to 2. OP equal to 2. OP equal to 2, PM equal to 1. We need area. First we need the point A. Point A. First the equation of tangent. The equation of tangent at P root 3 comma 1 to the given circle. B formula is x1 plus y1 minus r square equal to 0. It is the smallest circle, that means having the origin as the center. That means x into root 3 plus y into 1, r square is 4 equal to 0. The tangent is x root 3 plus y minus 4 equal to 0. The equation of the x-axis is, this is equation 1. The equation of x-axis is y equal to 0. Solving 1 and 2. Replace y equal to x into root 3 plus 0 minus 4 equal to 0. X into root 3 equal to 4. X equal to 4 by root 3. Therefore, the distance from origin to A is, therefore the coordinate point A is 4 by root 3 comma 0. The point A is 4 by root 3 comma 0. Therefore, the length of OA, origin to 4 root 3 means the intercept, that is equal to 4 by root 3. Therefore, area of the triangle, therefore the area of the required triangle, the area of the required triangle B, half, delta equal to half, base into height. Half, the base OA length is 4 by root 3. Height PM length is 1. That equal to 2 by root 3 square units. The required area of the triangle B, 2 by root 3 square units. Circle with center 0, 4 and passing through the projection of 2, 4 on x-axis. In this case, we find the equation of the circle. Here, with center is known 0, 4. We find the only radius of the circle. Then automatically we find the equation of the circle. Solution. The center of the required circle B C1 0, 4. Required circle B C1 0, 4 and passes through the projection of 2, 4 on x-axis. The given point. The projection of 2, 4 on x-axis is the point, suppose 2, 4 x-axis. The projection of this point is, that line is perpendicular to this. Therefore, here the x coordinate is same, because projection on x-axis, that line is perpendicular to x-axis. This line is parallel to y-axis. Any line parallel to y-axis, these x coordinates are same. Therefore, the point is here, the required point for x coordinate is 2. This point lies on x-axis and its y coordinate is 0. Any point lies on x-axis, then its y coordinate is 0. Therefore, the projection of 2, 4 on x-axis is 2, 0. 2, 0. Therefore, the circle passes through 2, 0. The circle passes through 2, 0 and having the center is 0, 4. And having the center is 0, 4. Therefore, the radius of the circle is, the radius of the required circle is r equal to square root of distance between these 2 points, 0 minus 2 whole square plus 4 minus 0 whole square, that equal to square root of 4 plus 16, that equal to root 20. Therefore, radius is known, center is known. Therefore, the equation of the circle is, the equation of required circle B. Here center is 0, 4 and radius is root 20. We know that the formula is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. X minus 0 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square equal to root 20 whole square x square. A minus b whole square plus y square plus 16 minus 8y equal to 20. Therefore, x square plus y square minus 8y plus 16 minus 20 equal to 0. X square plus y square minus 8y minus 4 equal to 0. This is equation of the required circle. The circle whose center is 0, 4 and passes to the projection of 2, 4. We know that the projection of 2, 4 on x-axis is 2, 0. This is the distance between these 2 points is the radius of the circle. Center is known, radius is known. The equation of the circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. Therefore, the required equation is x square plus y square minus 8y minus 4 equal to 0.